to be really bumpy.
Hello.
Like surfboard.
Right. This is everyone on a truck. There's our driver. Hey Bryson. Smile. Turning corners might be a bit funny.
Surfing.
This is travelling in style.
That's pretty nippy, this.
I know. I quite like going all the way home this way.
Yeah.
There's bus stop. Maybe not.
Oh, get up there.
Cheers, yeah.
Keep on my case, would you? Right, watch this. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Have a good. Chosen mode of transport. Farm vehicle. Carrie, do you enjoy your journey?
Thank you.
Very good. Alice, how was the trip for you? Excellent. That's the end.